on hydrostatic testing. A hydrostatic test, sometimes called a hydro test, is a safety test used to check the strength and leak tightness of pressure vessels, pipelines, tanks, and other equipment that will operate under pressure. First, the equipment is filled completely with water or another incompressible fluid. Let's visualize that. Next, the fluid is pressurized to a specified test pressure, usually higher than the normal operating pressure. Here we show pressure being applied. Then, the equipment is inspected for leaks, deformation, or any failure. If it holds the pressure without leaking or deforming, it passes the test. The purpose of a hydrostatic test is to ensure the equipment can safely withstand its operating pressures and to detect leaks or weaknesses before placing the equipment into service. That concludes our overview of hydrostatic testing. Remember, by filling equipment with an incompressible fluid, pressurizing it, and inspecting for leaks or deformation, we can verify its safety before operation. Would you like a detailed explanation or a study guide on hydro tests?